Turning in assignments in Canvas. On the page for the assignment you need to submit, click Submit Assignment in the upper right corner. If you've created your assignment in another program like Word or PowerPoint, you'll want to upload the file. Click on Choose File and select the saved file from the dialog box. You will need to close the file before you upload it. A suggestion on naming your file. Always put your last name and assignment in the file name to help your teacher identify what they're receiving from you. Once you've selected the file and clicked on Open, click on Submit Assignment and you have finished. If you prefer to do a text entry, click on the Text Entry tab and type your assignment in the document window. It's very similar to a standard word processing document. When you're finished, click Submit Assignment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your teacher, or you can message Miss Denny through Canvas as well. Thanks for watching.